Okay, everything, let's clarify the situation. There has been a humming expectation that XRP will achieve a monumental milestone since day one. $10,000 was not only a possibility but also a given and an estimate. That forecast just received a massive boost. We are discussing none other than Larry Fink of BlackRock endorsing this image, and he's not just talking about a pitiful $10,000 per share. Whoa, he's making it sound like a basic must. Before we dive right into today's material, let's briefly recap. I require a tiny favor. Go ahead and click the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Imagine heavyweights where it gets juicy. Titans of finance, similar to BlackRock and Vanguard, are now giving XRP serious consideration for their international transactions. Hang on, things will get better. There are murmurs regarding BlackRock releasing an ETF with an XRP focus. Yes, you heard correctly, but there's more. Hold on. Not content to stop there, Larry Fink is now examining the enormous $30 trillion real estate sector, and he has identified the key to its future, you guessed it. The entire system may be tokenized on the XRP ledger thanks to the astounding 1.2 quadrillion worldwide swaps and traders provided by the ISDA. The association is configured to go via the XRP. We're not just talking about $10,000 per XRP here, Ledger and Ripple, that's kids' play. We could be looking at a value explosion of up to $60,000. Let's jump right into the following section. Larry thinks BlackRock just released another explosive. He's not just speaking, he's acting as though Ripple and its digital asset, XRP, are about to do something very significant. Tokenizing every aspect, and in the following, we have a clip that is a component of our video that will draw attention. We won't have to wait much longer because Larry seems to be confirming BlackRock's approach toward an XRP ETF. Here's the clip you've been waiting for. One way we are legitimizing it and increasing safety is by holding off on introducing Bitcoin ETFs. Allow me to present this to you. Are you going to do another ETF? Consider an XRP or an ETF. You have Ether out there, I know that. Consider XRP. Could you respond to that? You don't want me to, and I can't. Yes, I do. Cannot all be in harmony. Give me the WP, please. I'm grateful. We've seen a swirl of abnormalities in the cryptocurrency world in recent days, especially with this XRP image on the well-known exchange Crypto.com, whose value surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It fits with a larger pattern of XRP's value explosion. Surprisingly, recall how just last week, we talked about a $7,000 XRP problem at a major exchange. Now, it's Crypto.com's time, and it appears that these abrupt increases in the value of XRP are becoming commonplace on several exchanges. However, let's shift our focus entirely to something else, something I discovered through extensive research that is equally fascinating but unrelated to BlackRock or the general surge in the XRP market. We're going to talk about Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. As the majority of you are probably aware, Gensler constantly rates XRP as a security. This is the interesting part. There is an identical twin to Gary Gensler. Robert M. Gensler, brother, who is identical in age and strikingly similar as vice president of T. Price. Robert plays a significant role in the company. Upon further investigation, you'll discover that T.R. Price isn't just any investment, it's a significant player in the industry. Investing a lot of money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. Given that Gary Gensler is in charge of the SEC, it's interesting that XRP is still classified as a security. His brother-in-law is heavily invested in an investing company that holds a sizable position in XRP. This intriguing jutsu, among other cryptocurrencies, presents several intriguing concerns about the complex dynamics at work in the realm of cryptocurrency legislation and investments. This leads to the intriguing potential that the vice president of T. Rowe Price, Robert Gendler, has unique knowledge of how much potential XRP has, much like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This theory has become more popular. Taking into account the company's substantial holdings in these three cryptocurrencies, the SEC openly rejects the idea of insider trading. Several studies and papers have indicated differently. These studies, which center on insider trading and market manipulation, have frequently highlighted dubious SEC operations. It seems that a trend is emerging. SEC officials appear to be informing their family members about which digital assets could soon be freed from classification as securities. These relatives then make early investments in these assets, and when the asset is formally deemed to be not a security, its value soars, enabling these friends and family members to profit handsomely from buying low and selling high in this situation. Let's examine the probability that Robert and Gendler had inside information about the SEC's possible defeat in a lawsuit against XRP from his brother Gary Gendler. Such information might imply that Congress will push for a settlement. Between the SEC and Ripple Labs, now is the perfect time for astute investors to purchase XRP, but as the price of the cryptocurrency increases, money is being directed toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and, most importantly, XRP, adding another chapter to this story. The cryptocurrency community is abuzz with talk of XRP possibly rising to $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, especially from analysts who have been bullish on the asset, such as Jack the Ripper forecasts a sharp increase in value that could eclipse $589. Despite being audacious, this forecast highlights the increased interest and conjecture surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency space. Wall Street is vying for a piece of the profitable XRP pie, and based on my intuition, the first significant move will come through an XRP ETF. However, let's delve deeper into this development. We have some fascinating news. The revelation from an analyst that JP Morgan has made a big move into XRP has caught the interest of a former Ripple director. This revelation made me wonder, and it's something we need to investigate more. The narrative proceeds as follows. Former Ripple director Ben Armstrong reacted to reports that JP Morgan had invested in XRP, which was linked to the BitBoy cryptocurrency brand. This was disclosed in a series of tweets by prominent people in the crypto community. Among posts according to him, JP Morgan possesses an impressive 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong continues by stating that this transaction represented roughly 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall fortune, but to put that into perspective, the math in this claim looks wildly incorrect. 7.5 million XRP, valued at 4.46 million currently, is not even close to representing 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth, given that JP Morgan's total assets, as of the 2023 valuation, total a staggering $3.89 trillion. Despite his emphasis, Armstrong's calculation doesn't exactly add up. The significance of JP Morgan's alleged plan, which, in his opinion, suggests that they have been quietly hoarding XRP, establishes JP Morgan as a rising powerhouse in the cryptocurrency space. Thus, we have a Wall Street story. Titans like JP Morgan may be moving into the cryptocurrency space, particularly with XRP. Although the math may not add up to 100%, it's still worth considering that big banks may be considering becoming involved in the space. With XRP at the heart of some intriguing occurrences, it signals a bigger trend of traditional finance colliding with the digital currency field. Armstrong's audacious remarks have also brought attention to BlackRock. The giant of asset management is heating things with assertions that BlackRock has just received shareholder approval. Armstrong didn't stop there. He's also enlarging as the Bitcoin ETF is currently considering XRP for its investment portfolio. The fact that these financial behemoths are investing in XRP despite the ongoing legal drama between Ripple and the US SEC suggests a strong conviction in XRP's bright future. Consider if this. Here's the thing, if the accumulating tendency is real, it means that major financial firms are placing bets on XRP despite its frequent volatility. The adoption of cryptocurrency by Wall Street was always inevitable. I've been discussing this for more than 5 years, but at the time, it seemed like a pipe dream. However, considering where Bitcoin is now and the likelihood that XRP won't follow suit, I would have to respectfully disagree that the question is not if but when. That being said, the particular situation depicted in Armstrong's picture may not be the complete picture, but, get this, the story becomes more complex in response to Armstrong's shocking assertions. Former Ripple director Matt Hamilton added a healthy dose of skepticism, questioning the authenticity of such a purchase as well as the real impact it would have on XRP considering the token's enormous. Hamilton pulls out the calculator after supply considering that there are 100 billion XRP in circulation. 7.5 million XRP is just 0.0075% of that total. In response to Armstrong's assertions that it's a cheesy allusion to the frequently fantastic IC nature of Armstrong's pronouncements, implying you'd almost need a satirical lens to make sense of it all, Hamilton even joked, "I guess this is a parody account." Since the math speaks for itself, let's examine it in more detail. It's obvious as day that the numbers don't add up, but Hamilton's analysis of the facts, which highlighted the blatant errors in the original claim, got me thinking. Where did this bizarre tale even start? Folks, I've done my research and found the treasure. It's important to be observant and perceptive in the complicated and frequently hazy world of cryptocurrency reporting, and I'm here to assist. I've located the source, and it's a doozy. You move across these turbulent waves with the actual details. Please keep in mind that I am not a qualified financial advisor and that the information offered in these videos is only meant to be entertaining. I always suggest that viewers do their own research and speak with experts before making any financial choices. I appreciate you watching, and if you liked the video, please click the like button. Also, don't forget to enable the alerts so you can be the first to know when I upload new content. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Be careful.